Yeah. I like that.
Get the beef, cut, kill the cow.
Come to Sanur for the world famous $2 burger. Twice.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Yourself?
Good. Maybe you look to the market?
No, thank you. All right, tell them I'm too old for massage and too young for hair.
It's like a room.
Yeah.
Room.
Villas.
Yeah, kind of.
Where you stay here?
Bali, stay in at the moment.
$295,000. Or less. This is actually a very good spot to buy one, you know. Yeah, they're in there. Any tsunami? You're the first one to go.
Surfing, the canoe.
Ah, that's still cool.
My shop inside.
Yeah, I'll come. I'll walk down here.
And how old are you, darling? 6. Oh, you sound like my daughter. Are you in kindy? I saw all this. My shop. This man and this side man.
No, it's okay.
Wrong now.
No, sir. No, it's okay.
Do you have a look in here? I have t-shirt.
No. No, it's good. Thank you. Six. No,
T-shirt or sarong, what are you looking for?
no, I'm just looking. Eh?
You want to get changed before you sit.
Oh, no, I forgot. I should buy this for you.
I think she
Yeah, the one that massage where?
For you.
His own.
I should get for you.
His own. He make his own. T-shirt.
YouTube, yeah.
Ah, you from.
Oh, this is one, yeah.
Yeah, it's a bloody. Bloody.
Whatever. Tell you one thing for sure, that knee is burning on fire.
Still inside, like little inside, like not much little sheep. Of your
Boom.
head.
Out like a... Mr. Allen, you alright? That's nice, yeah. Yeah, it's cooler.
Yeah. Bamboo and then they put that. And with the sound of instrument about it.
Yeah, around there. You see who's got it? I'm gonna rip your tonsils out. Just close it again. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's 11 o'clock open. So it's a little bit late, you'll see.
Yesterday they opened it. Today it's not sure because if they open, it should be open already. Yesterday they opened.
No, thank you. I don't want no more t-shirts, thank you. Yeah. Another one, cheap t-shirts.
No, we didn't arrive. We didn't until here last time.
And the t-shirts all the same price everywhere. If I give them a crazy price and they say yes, then I have to buy. Yeah, that's bigger than the kid. Yeah, it's been abandoned for some years. It's got, look, it's got pretty much a great spot. Look at it.
Yeah.
Aku saking laparnya juga orang.
Inner Bali Beach Resort.
In Bali, so this is the old one. So we have only one hotel, which is how many floors? 10, 12? The only one in Bali, right?
Yeah.
Just in Bali. But now they're renovate. Still they keep that. That's the only one that has more. The road going to Dunkin' Donuts next to the harbor.
Yeah. The big one. Well, this is what's going to happen. We're going to walk back. We're going to stop at some place and get something to eat.
Take Grab.
Take Grab.
Or just like taxi.
Oh, you go. I walk.
It's nothing after here. The Dunkin' Donuts.
The what?
The Dunkin' Donuts. Next junction left. It's the main junction before the harbor. We're walking already. It's amazing for me.
You lazy bastard.
I know I wear my sneakers.
I tell you, you know, when you're with me, you're going to walk.